Hello and welcome to ELITECAD at Work. Today we'll talk about 3D platforms. The presentation of projects is no longer just about 2D plans, and the demands on planning are getting higher and higher. Therefore, it is important for architects and planners to have easy access to library parts and to be able to load them efficiently. The solution is a quick access to numerous manufacturing platforms, and today I'll show you how easy and simple this works with ELITECAD. As you can see, the garage door looks very simple, and we now want to replace it with a specific manufacturer component. Therefore, we turn the floor plan and open the menu, 3D platforms. This allows us to access the most common platforms. As an example, we choose ELITECAD Parts, also known as Parts4CAD by Cadenas. This is an online service with thousands of manufacturer parts and models which we can easily download and place in our model. I have already chosen a component before. We can now open it using the search function and choose a protective door here. It should be a double sliding door. We are now setting the configuration from the component. Here we can freely choose all possible parameters, starting with the height, the width, the opening direction, for example. Below we have a preview where the model can also be moved freely, and I would like to change to a flex system here. The level of detail can be set as well. And with one click on Transfer to CAD, the model is downloaded from the internet and is immediately available at the cursor in ELITECAD. It can be placed anywhere with one click. Here, of course, in the garage entrance. And by switching to a 3D view, we immediately see that the component has been correctly placed, but it doesn't look like the one we configured before. We had a perforated plate or a grid. I click on a component and the configuration window opens again. We can see it here, it's actually a grid system. So why doesn't it look like this in our model now? It's easy to explain. We have set the level of detail to low. I may change that to high. With a high level of detail, the model naturally has more data, but we then also have more details in the model. We also changed the door opening, and with one click the changes are transferred to ELITECAD. The model is already updated, and we can now see many details here, and with just a few clicks we have loaded a component from the internet, freely configured it and placed it in ELITECAD. Thanks to the new interfaces, working with 3D platforms is really easy and uncomplicated. I have set and configured the selected manufacturer component in a very short time with just a few clicks. Give it a try in our trial version.